Monday. Can it not be love? Can it not be love?
No.
Ba yung aquarium mo?
Meron.
Yung magkatago yun, mabubuhay na yung apat na yun.
Happy New Year. Pero alam nyo, hindi ako nag-research. Sarado pala yung department store. It's close. Oh my. Bibili akong pants. Hindi, malito. January 1, shopping. Gastos agad. Mali. Sobrang saya. First work day of the week. Galing ako sa work, di ko na video kanina, pero January 2 pumasok ako. Sold out sa SM North. Senyora Glorio. Sa SM North kami, lipat kami ng mall kasi walang available na tickets nga. Paulit-ulit ako, no? Chocolate chip. Okay na po yung isa. Okay na. That's right.
You know, I think a toddler. I'm not even a toddler.
What?
If my present self saw me doing this, I would think that kid is so weird. I would think I'm jogging and
Ayun, okay, JR yan. Wala na ano.
Sir? Dito na rin.
Sige. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hi, Ma.